Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on the Airbnb app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your email address on the Airbnb app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Airbnb, then click on Profile on the bottom right hand corner. Afterwards, click on Account Settings, then click on Personal Information. Now, on this page here, you're going to see a section for your email. Go ahead and click on Edit. And then this is where you could actually go ahead and change your email and then click on Save. Afterwards, your email should have been changed. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your email on the Airbnb app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.